guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you this beautiful vehicle, the TROPOS Motors Able XT. It's a very versatile vehicle with good towing and load capacities. It is able to carry around 900 kilograms. If you are using on private property, on the road for purpose or legal issues, maximum 500 kilograms, and you can tow vehicles up to 1,300 kilograms on private property, on the public roads until 900 kilograms. Those are the things I can talk to you while we are outside. We're gonna start here with the front. We do have here on the front an enclosed cabin, which gives you comfort all the year, which I do like. Central door locking system. The mirrors are retractable, which is good. Big windscreen, it's nice. Windshield, only one, but it does the job. Lights, turn signals and brake signals are LED. The traditional lights, it's halogen, nothing special. We have a tow hook on the front, which I like. Suspension, we have a transversal lift spring on the front, ABS on the four wheels. We also have a load sensing brake proportion system, which basically knows how much load you have and adjusts the brakes. Then we have the rims, 14 inches rims with the tires from Aiken with the dimensions 175/65. If you look in the back, where we do have here on the back lots of space to load our stuff, so we just pick it up and we can store it here, do whatever you want. There is lots of it on this closed one that I really have here. Like I said, all the lights in the back here are LED, stop lights and blinkers, everything it's LED. Rear wheel drive. Talking about the tires, we do have the same dimensions as in the front, the same rims and everything, and the suspension is a torsion beam suspension. Regarding the batteries, we have two batteries installed underneath here with the engine and everything. Each battery 118 kilograms, 26 kilowatts each battery, and with these batteries they are 220 volts, so you can charge on a normal plug. There's a plug on the other side where you charge it, and you have with these batteries and this engine, 13 horsepower engine, you have top speeds of 80 kilometers an hour. It can be a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on the street, if it is loaded or not, and the range can be top range 257 kilometers. But for that, you do need to ride at 40 kilometers an hour. Regarding the back of the truck, it is adjustable. You can have several backs. You have this one, you can have pickup, you can have trades, you can have sweep, so you can clean the streets, ambulance, fire departments, whatever the needs that you want, they probably have a configuration for you. That's why it is so versatile and a really good choice. Having said this, we're gonna see how she behaves on the road. Okay guys, let's go for a ride on this TROPOS Motors Able XT, and basically this is the inside of the cabin, where we have here the latch to open the window. Very simple window. It has a good flow. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit. One riding I'm gonna close because of the wind outside. And it's big. I'm a tall guy, I have space here, I don't mind. The seats are adjustable. I'm just gonna turn off the sound of the radio. Seats are adjustable, and brake, seat belt. We're gonna put our seat belt here because it is necessary when riding a vehicle. All the gadgets to connect the lights and blinkers and everything, which is nice. On here, a nice radio. We have a touch radio where we have more functions like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We can see the reverse camera, and we can adjust we have an equalizer, connect the Bluetooth, everything on this radio, which is good. And we do have a small screen up there on the front, which I'll talk in a while. And we're gonna start the vehicle. Well, I already did. This is what you listen when you are inside of this vehicle. Basically silence, okay? So we have here the riding modes, rear, N and D, which is reverse, neutral and drive. So we're gonna put in drive, and we're gonna go to our little tour. Let's go here and something like this, and we are ready to go. Automatic, so I don't have to worry about shifting gears or anything. It is a really nice cabin. It has all the communities that you would need if you are working. Okay, big screen here on the front, space here on the top to storage. The protection here for the sun. You have a mirror on this side for the pillion, the vanity mirror, which is nice. Storage underneath there, hazard lights, 12-volt socket, and the controls for the ventilation to clear the fog from the wind, give you good airflow inside. So it is well built. Well, it is not well built. It is well designed. The quality of the materials, everything is plastic, but it works. I will not complain about that. Light here where you can see everything. You have a microphone here for the Bluetooth commands where you can pair your phone. You have Bluetooth, which is good. And then we have a nice engine, which 13 horsepower. They say you can reach speeds to 80 kilometers an hour. We're gonna see here how fast I can go. It's gonna be a fast lane there in a while, but coming in the Portuguese version, I was able to go to the 75 kilometers an hour. Okay, traffic. Oh, great. So I will not be able to do what I was expecting to do here at the moment, because there is traffic, everything is stopped. But even like this, going up 50 kilometers an hour, okay, really nice. I don't mind, it's okay. But like I said, 75 was the top speed that I was able to do. I didn't want to push it too much. Also, it was going uphill. I was doing the reverse way, which I'm doing now. Now it's going a little bit downhill. So the 80 kilometers an hour, I think it is good for the kind of vehicle that it is, and I don't mind. I'm gonna open the window a little bit. It will be a little bit more noise, but now the window is open. 60, 70. Woohoo! She's going crazy! 77, 80 kilometers an hour, guys. Okay. I need to slow down. I'm gonna exit on this one here, so I have to do it slowly, so I won't have any problems. But as you can see, 80 kilometers an hour, it is doable. Of course, the range, when they mentioned the 257 kilometers range, is if you do ride it at 40 kilometers an hour, which means inside the city you can do those speeds without any issues. Outside you need to go a little bit faster, so the range will be a little bit less, but at 40 kilometers an hour, 200 kilometers range, it is good. This is made for small deliveries. Like I said, you have different configurations for the back. Okay, ambulance, closed case, open case, carrying tools, whatever you wish. It is able to you are able to buy the configuration that you want, and for that those small commutes, small tours and everything, carry your stuff, it is nice. In this case I do have the closed box on the back. If I wanted to carry stuff from a place to another, it would be okay. There is space and it would behave nice. And as you can see, it is an easy. I'm gonna close it. Maybe it's now too much wind. I'm gonna close it again. This is the Able ST. It is fun. I am comfortable here. The seat is not the best on the world, but this is not an everyday car for you to go with the families, for you to go to work, but it is comfortable enough. Lots of clearance, lot of space, and I was able to bring you this nice van, and this is a nice opportunity to go in the electric world if you do want. Having said this, I really hope that you like this presentation of this Able XT. If you did, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, because your friend SpitfirePT is gonna say bye!